Can we agree that snoring is really irritating? But it's more than just annoying, it's a health problem. Over time, snoring develops into sleep apnea. Because everything sags as we age, our airway gets more floppy and collapses more easily. Snoring sounds come from air pushing through a narrowed space. But when the airway completely collapses, you hear only silence, sometimes for extended periods. This can hinder oxygen flow to the brain, disrupt your sleep quality, and cause serious health issues. So, if you or a loved one snore heavily and often, get tested. A sleep study can determine if your health is at risk. Follow me for more.